Hello everyone, welcome to our Easy English Conversation video. Today, you will watch a simple and useful conversation between a teacher and a student. This will help you learn how to speak in English politely and confidently. We will also learn some common classroom sentences. So, let's begin.
Good morning, Ravi.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. Did you complete your homework?
Yes, ma'am. I finished it last night.
That's good. Can I see your notebook?
Sure, here it is.
Very neat and clean. Well done, Ravi.
Thank you, ma'am. I tried my best.
That's the spirit. Keep it up. Did you understand yesterday's lesson?
Little bit, ma'am. I didn't understand the grammar part clearly.
No problem. I will explain it again. Do you have your grammar book?
Yes, ma'am. It's in my bag.
Please take it out and open page number 45.
Okay, ma'am. 1 second. Yes, I have opened it.
Look at this example. This is a present continuous sentence. She is reading a book.
Oh, I see. So we use is, am, or are with ing form of the verb.
Exactly. You got it. Can you make one sentence?
Yes. I am writing a letter.
Very good. That's correct.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I understand better.
I'm happy to hear that. Do you like English?
Yes, I like English very much. It's interesting.
That's great. What do you want to become in the future?
I want to become a teacher like you.
That's so sweet. Why do you want to be a teacher?
Because teachers help students and teach many things. I want to help others too.
That's a wonderful thought. I'm sure you'll be a good teacher one day.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Keep studying hard. Your future is bright.
I will, ma'am. Thanks for your support.
You're always welcome. Now let's continue with our class.